Hi all, welcome to Digital channel. So today we can discuss topic about that how we can creating for Twitter ads. So nothing but Twitter purpose are we can go for like website promotion, Twitter follow increase purpose. Some people are most interested about the how to increase the Twitter followers or my Twitter engagement. So engagement is organic way I show previously in my YouTube channel. So what is the trending content? How we can use the trending posting? How to reaching the customers are all we'll discuss in the previous class. Now we can discuss about the Twitter ads campaign. Go to option name is called here. There will be click from the Twitter ads option. When give Twitter ads options, they're asking about the payment option. But don't click any payment option, click for back. So right now I'm not adding for funds. Always remember when Twitter ad is enabled purpose, Google Analytics will be turned on is compulsory important. Turn on will be compulsory important. What are the posts you done by everything? So when click here, copy this. I'm selecting for Twitter. Click for tweet. I go into the some tweets are going here. I'm a Twitter post. Select it. Click for tweet. All tweets we can going will be here. Now, in the payment method, just click here. In this add payment method, account setting, everything option will be here. Here we can go for view profile and sign out. Just here, the option name is called click for edit access to your account. When I go to this option, edit access to account. Right now, why we can go to this option is called when you go to payment method is done, it is going to the campaign option. So right now I'm not adding any payment procedure. Edit access to account. Here we can click for view ads manager. So what are the ads are created here? There will be click here, bidding campaign, everything will be here. We can call for delete campaign also. So how many campaigns are we can create here? It all will be edit, pause, or resume. Only when you selecting this option, we can delete the campaigns are here, which is expired, which is deleted, which is we can go to pause. But all will be campaign we can show to customers will be in this particular option. So create a campaign purpose. Here the option name is called create a campaign. The campaign will be same like how we can creating for Facebook, same like awareness, consideration, and conversion. There are complete three categories. Awareness, reach, maximum your ad reaching purpose, video view purpose, pre-roll view purpose, app install purpose, web click purpose, and engagement purpose. When I'm clicking for Twitter ads, when you go to this particular ad will be same, the page will be opened by here. Now, advertise your business.twitter.com here. So basic why Twitter get started, everything will be here in this option. Create a profile, every option will be learning from here. So this all will be ad center, Twitter ads overview. In this overview, you can see, so what are the options that you can learn from? Here is option. That all will be in a showing to the particular option. In this Twitter ads work, everything is all about the Twitter information. So here I'm looking for anything engagement. I increase my followers, anything on option. So right now I can focus about my LinkedIn, sorry, my Twitter followers. How I can increase my Twitter followers. Click for next. So what is my campaign goal is the followers. So name will be selecting here. RTS. Funding source, that the only option name is called credit card. There is no option for Paytm, Google Pay or Google Pay or Phone Pay, nothing is accepted. That only for credit card. And this will be most of the will using for dollars. So I can go to this option based on this. What is the budget right now? I'm checking from here, from dollars budget. There is xe.com. Will be converted into here 75. I can go with 525. I can go to minimum. I will start with the 500 budget. So that is $7. Campaign total will be $25. So daily is a $7 and will be $25. Maybe 3 days are running or 3.5 days will be running for my campaign. A specific start date and with the time, ended with the time also. But I am not mentioning any particular start date and date. When campaign will start, our campaign will be running for particular ads. Advanced option. This always spacing standard nothing but we can show ads throughout the day to spending budget as efficiently as possible. Advanced for time constrained campaigns like major sporting event show ads as often as possible each day. So I can always go for the standard recommendation. So which is going to recommend by the Twitter, I can go with the standard option. So this is a simply some changes is both of them. See here, this will be here only like major sporting events show ads as often as possible each day. So here will be spend budget as efficiency and possible. Click for next. In this, we can creating for your ad group. Ad group budget will be given by the maybe $2. What is the ad group one thing? But in a particular ad, how much budget you can start in out of $7? I can start minimum ad campaign with the $2 option. So in this, what is the specific time and end time? I can run ad will be specific time zone. Suppose 10 a.m. to 9 p.m., 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So like that particular time zones. Well, I can run ad will be only night time. So that you can give by option. So what is my goal will be? Increase my Twitter followers. Based on budget, look here. The audience estimation will be here. Automated bit or target cost. So target cost 2.25. Although I am give by in a particular option. Suppose I give by 1. Average cost per followers. As I give by $1 for average cost per followers. So I can give by the in this particular budget. So next, we are selecting about the demographics, gender or age, and this age range. We can go to this one, 13, 18, 21 year, up to we can go for minimum. They can't give the custom option, so I can up to target will be 49. Next one 34 is there, but I my target up to 45. I'll add it by up to 49 option. Only 4 options I will give the numeric. Next one is add up 24, 34, 49, 54. Here will be 13, 18, 21, 25, 35, 50. So these are the options. So here is the option. So all age wise and age range. So now I'm adding here age range. Next, location. So we can target by the local audience. Suppose Hyderabad. Click Hyderabad, done. So this one. Search languages. We can only select by the specific languages or we can select by the multiple language also. So which is comfortable, we can add by here. So I'm selecting only for English. Here, I can only specific operating system like iOS, Android, other mobile desktop, anything specified. You can click for specified. but I can using for all devices, other mobile and desktop and Android and iOS. I can target by everyone. Models, Amazon, Apple, Asus, any specific model you can target by customers. Go this specific models. And carriers, nothing but your network, Airtel, depend on the countries. Suppose you can go with India, we have option will be Airtel India, Airtel. Suppose this is a brand. Suppose I can selecting for particular networks like mobile network also. We can target by the mobile network. So specific devices, specific network, and device model also will be selecting for particular customer. iPhone, there is multiple optional. I can only track by the iPhone 13 Pro Max customers. Suppose you can target by the that particular customers also. In interview question, can I target particular device or particular network in Twitter ads? Yes, we can target by the particular mobile network user also. I can target only for Airtel customer, Airtel offer purpose. I can only target by the career will be India, Airtel network. So country wise, the option will be changed. So why? Because we don't spending an amount will be no wasting purpose. So career, we can selecting India. I can target only for Airtel customer. We can go to Airtel customer. And right now I can target anyone. So target people who first use Twitter and new device and careers, not careers. I think what first time I'm using mobile device in my Twitter, which is a new mobile and a new SIM card. I was newly purchased mobile, newly purchased SIM card. I can using first time Twitter. I can target that people also. So some people is first time tweeting for Twitter account. That will target is more important. Within the last 1 month, more than 1 month ago, 2 months ago, these are options. But as you wish, we can give this more than 1 month ago, or within last 1 month, 6 months here, or 6 months also. More than 6 months ago, or within the last 6 months ago. So these are the particular option will give to the particular customers. And next option here will be app activity in this custom audience. But here everything will be common, include. So don't click any options. Include look like our selected custom audience, not like that. We can go with the every audience will be here. And target keywords. What is your target keyword? So target keyword will be digital marketing. 3.2 million people audience. Digital marketing here. So follows look like any recommendation you can give the followers look like interest, like you are interested by education or service. What are the options you will be most interested that will be given by here? So there's all option. Education, nothing category will be here. So you can technology. So what are the options are you looking for here? But I can go with any particular interest, not only one. I can target by each and every customer, not specific customer. I have to increase my followers. Who will be looking at exact course? I'm not promoting my exact course. I had to promoting my branding. I had promoting my branding option. So that is the call. We have to more focus about the each and every customers. That's only for particular one customer, two customer, not like that. We can go with the multiple customers. So now here, everything done, event, conversion topics. There is not looking for this option here. Your placement, one is a home timeline and profile. Home timeline nothing but when coming to this Twitter, what are the posts you done by? Which showing for promoted that all nothing but your ads will be showing for promoted ads. So that will be here. Next, Twitter in this particular preview option. In this here is the option will be here preview promoted Twitters. This will be click the tweet options. Here is that show all by your tweet option will be 0. So right now in a particular tweets will be only organic tweets, select by the organic tweets, scheduled tweets, promoter only tweets. So right now I not create any promote ads. So that you will create for organic tweets, which is you can promote it by here. So here I'm promoting will be in this particular tweet. So you can selecting for multiple Twitter also will be very much of important. It's called multiple Twitter. So those are options create here. So how many adding your list? You can add by any number of list here. So after the post, everything will be done here. So there is 18. Learn more. Next. Click for next option. So this will showing and profile and timeline. Next. So all campaign will be settled. So how we can show to customer your particular ad will be here. So in this will be only show your particular option. Most of the mobile wise and desktop wise lot of difference are will be show to the particular customers. Is a promoter, they will promoting for our particular website video ad. So in this review, finally everything is option will be here and campaign will be selected. Back to we can go to this option. What are the things you will be done by your particular tweet option? Everything will be here. Schedule post, organic post, and previews. Here will be shown to the particular customers. Mobile and desktop ad. It is the close option. Refreshing tweets. So the dot all will be shown to the particular customer will be here. Next, finally, you can go to option name is called launch campaign. So already I'm show this ad, how we can show ad to the particular customers. This will be, you can go to this preview option, desktop and mobile users. Next, finally, we going to click for launch campaign. So this will be, we can go to option name is called, that ad will be approved or disapproved. They will show intimate within time of period. Status, ad will be running, but ad will be not running. What the reason is called, I'm not add the payment. Where you can add the payment structure, add your payment method. This payment method only accepted by the credit or debit card. They're not accepting for net banking, everything will be not supported. So that is the reason what are the ad account will be created, that all will be checking for edit access to account. So this will be running. Anytime will be pause. If you're not interested, we can edit the budget, edit the campaign, and edit the campaign option. These are the options we can give to the particular customer and Twitter ad increase the followers purpose. What are the things, everything? You can check option name is called analytics option. So those options we can forward it and increase by the Twitter engagement and increase the followers based on the ad creation. This will be view particular option. They will be click here. They go to particular website. These are all optional thing, but we can give this feature for the particular customers. Any query about that in a particular video optimization on this video view purpose in Twitter, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.